Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about keywords everywhere review. Okay, so now there are a couple of reviews that we're going to be looking at. We're going to start from Product Hunt here. Okay, so you're seeing a 2.6 rating here from 18 votes. Okay, apart from that, there's also another rating here from Matthew Woodward, which is about a 4.6 out of 5. Then we also have another one down here, which is a 4.5 rating by Sam Underwood. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and check these reviews and then finalize with our own review. Okay. So now the reason why I want us to look deep into this review, especially the one on Product Hunt, is because most of these reviews are honest reviews, but some of them are from lack of knowledge on the product usage. Okay. So now this is keyword everywhere on Product Hunt, and we have a 2.6 review here out of 5. So let's start from the first one here from Clint Leonard. Okay. So he's giving them a 1 star, and the reason for this is that he said they have a credit system that they use, but they use it to screw over their customers by using an expiration system to take your money. I bought a bunch of credits, and when I was finally ready to use it, it showed zero credit. I asked them about this, thinking it was an error, and they simply said the credit that you purchased on November 17, 2021 have expired. Credit expired after you have purchased. They never made users aware of this when purchasing, and there is literally no reason to do this other than to make money from customers. I would advise you to not spend your money with this company. Ahoy. Okay, so now you see, like I said, this was from a lack of knowledge, because when you're trying to purchase credit, you're informed. It's being indicated there that your credit is going to expire after a year. Prior to this time, it wasn't so. So I believe that the sat down to look at that and realize that if they don't allow the credit to expire, they might not be making a lot of money, because I purchased a credit for $10, which was about 100,000 credit, and I used that credit for over 2 years. Using the optimization system, I optimized my credit usage, and my usage became very small, that I could even use the 100,000 credit for 3 years and counting. Okay. So when they look at that, they realize that there are some ways that people might be, the credit might not finish that fast. So that's why they decided to implement that. Then moving forward, you have to consume your 100,000 credit in a year, or else it will be exhausted. Okay, so I'm going to scrap this out of the review. Then we go to the next one. This one gave a 4 star. Everything you need is at hand. Thank you. Okay, perfect review. Okay, this one say it does not work most often. I did remove and reinstall it several times, but it won't work after all the effort. Probably there's something you're not doing right, and I don't think this will warrant you giving them a 1 star. Maybe you contact the support, or try to watch a video, one of the videos, to get this fixed up. Okay, in response to what of you were, okay, you can see the search volume for certain question for content creators, product ideas for aspiring entrepreneurs, and for YouTubers. You can see the information on people's YouTube channels around keyword use ranking. Okay, so this one says not much more to say. Really amazing product, work quite well. And this one said I would recommend this tool to every SEO and digital marketer. That's good. And this one's a great free SEO tool for content creators and businesses on a small budget. Obviously, if you need some high level analytics and advanced keyword suggestion tool for your SEO channel, this is not it. Okay, this one says it helps when you want to skin a lot of info while browsing. Not the best tool if you have to do serious analysis, I believe. And the last one here says what? Just recommended the product. That's all. Okay, so that's all for the product hunt. So let's head over here to SEO tool belt. So I actually like the review here. So let's go ahead and check up on it. So overall, Keywords Everywhere provides on-the-go keyword metrics. The tool is reasonably priced and has extensive keyword research features. Its responsive support and excellent UX makes it a great addition to your tool stack. Keywords Everywhere has no publicly available product roadmap, but recently introduced AI prompt templates. Okay, The design and UX. Keyword Everywhere has one of the best designs and UX for a specialized keyword research tool. You don't have to log in to access its metrics. Instead, it integrates with Google, which makes everything beautiful. YouTube, Amazon, and other tools, allowing you to see these metrics on those platforms as you get to use them. Okay, features. The tool is not choked full of features, but has helpful functionalities, typical of a specialized keyword research tool. So it doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features. It also comes with browser add-ons and integrate with over 15 tools. That's a very beautiful description of keywords everywhere. Now, the roadmap. There's no publicly available information on the product roadmap. However, it recently launched ChatGPT prompt template as part of its features. This addition means the tool is up to date with the latest trends and open to improvement. Support. Keywords Everywhere offers only email support. That's true. So assistance is not in real time. However, it provides robust user guides and knowledge-based articles in text and video format. The software could benefit from having multiple support channels. These features will allow users to reach them on their preferred channels. Then value. The tool is worth the pricing. Yeah, I think so too. The plans start at $1 monthly, billed annually for 100,000 credit, and this gives you access to 100,000 keywords, including critical metrics like search volume, CPC, competition, and 12 months of historical data. Beautiful review. Okay, so now turning over to me, I would say I would give Keywords Everywhere 4.6, 4.7, 4.8 review over 5. Yeah, it's a beautiful keyword research tool. It has made a lot of things easier for me for researching keywords and all that. So SEMrush is actually very expensive, very pricey, and choked with a lot of complicated features that you might not even need. So the $119 they're charging you for things that you might not end up using. And a Ahrefs on the other side, the same thing, and so many other tools. So keywords everywhere just fits into the problem. It just solves the problem, comes in simple and all that. So guys, that is all for Keywords Everywhere review, and I'll expect to see your own review words and all that when you get to use the tool. So that'll be all for now. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.